Morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You find me making cough medication from scratch. My remedy is equal parts of lemon, olive oil, and pure honey. Very imperative. This is the base of what I'm starting with, right? I'll show you the thumbnail, which is going to show the equal parts of everything. But what I'm thinking of that I should go to the next level with is to infuse this particular cough medication. Of course, the adult version would add a certain percentage of overproof rum, right? That's to give you the burn on the chest. Because when you have a cold in the winter, you need that fire, absolutely. But what I'm saying now, I'm thinking, of course, this version is going to be the children version, where I make it with the Manuka honey. Yeah, with the Manuka honey. Because when you're making stuff for kids, you can't make it with just any old honey. This one is infused with blueberry honey that I got from the blueberry farm. This is my Manuka honey, right? I didn't take it out of the bowl. As you can see, they're charging $40 for this. So this and it's from New Zealand, right? So basically, you're not gonna waste that. I mostly make that. I would make that for my grandkids because they are not allowed to use absolute. When you're under one, they don't recommend children use honey at all. Period. So we would have to go with the lemon and just the olive oil. But what I'm saying, I'm ready to go to the next level. I want to infuse this cough medication with ginger, cayenne pepper, and maybe even I'll just use those two ingredients to start. Of course, there's no water added, but what I can do is make a tincture out of the lemon juice and maybe the mullein. Yeah, and add that in there. For now, that's the way to go for now. It'll be an experiment, but I'm putting in things that speak to mucus buildup, removal of mucus. So that will be the next level cough medication I will be trying to make at this point. But this one is just the lemon, the honey, and the olive oil. And then of course you have to always shake it because these are entities that remain separate. But before you can drink it, you have to separate it. When I tasted it, the honey is on point, right? You could taste the honey. The olive oil, yeah, it's there too. And I only use natural 100% cold pressed olive oil. That too, $40, $50 easy. So when you're making these medications, you're not making it to just waste. This is called money right here. And the lemon juice, I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze some more because I didn't think it was strong enough. Yeah, it wasn't strong enough for me in this particular mixture. So I'm gonna have to squeeze some more lemon in there. But that's just my idea of prepping for the winter, and I'm sharing with you guys because we gotta get ready. I ain't patting my secret yet, but it's okay. Also, too, you could always, drop a habanero pepper in there and put the heat on like that, It don't necessarily have to be cayenne. It could be anything you got. Just throw it in there. But with everything you do, measurement. And with everything you do, it's for a specific group. Whereas if you're doing with the honey, diabetics going to have to be notified about that because that's going to bring their sugar up. So you could do stevia, I don't know how that works, but maybe you could juice the leaves of the stevia, and that would put the sweetness in the cough medication. But the honey component is a healing component. So stevia won't be able to put in what the honey put in. So that's the difference on how you would tweak this. You can't tweak it. Somebody gonna just have to use an alternate to burn the sugar, which is like you take it at the time that you're gonna do some walking, or you beginning your day, or whatever the situation is, or you use it in small versions and you drink a lot of water. Yeah, options. But you gotta be ready for this. These viruses they sending out here that we think we know about, but we do not know about. You only know about it after you get sick, which ain't good enough for me. Blessings. And I make this video with a slight heavy heart because we all have to keep, growing with Hudson in our prayers, because she's going through something, and we need to support her. If we can't be there physically, we could be there in our prayer life. Blessings. Bye-bye.